This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for May 25th, 2023. It's currently April 9th, 2023, 7:21 p.m. Eastern Time. And the shuffle file that we're about to play was created on February 26, 2023 at 5:58 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this file right here. The overall theme and behavior for the day, the Magus card is a pretty ambiguous card. I usually draw another card to give me direction relating to the Magus card. It looks like we probably have a pretty big move at the end of the day. And this is the 25th is a very likely place where we have a highest high for the month. It's a tricky day though. There's two highs. And there's a trade opportunity there in the midst of a decline with a sharp dip in that period of decline. So really, I think probably what happens is there's a quick scalp trade here in the midst of this rally around the open or into the open. One could open up a short position, and then there's a decline like out of the open. There's a decline through multiple support levels. A lot of price change there, and one could probably before 10 o'clock close out of a short if they open it around, in the midst of the rally at the open, or just like ending maybe right at the open, but there's a rally pre-market into the open. If they open that short position, they could probably close it around 10 o'clock to be prudent, or they could hold it for a more risky trade and close it around noon time. After this decline through multiple support levels, there's a notable move higher standing out on a one-day chart, bringing us to resistance where volume kind of flattens out between roughly 10 and 11-ish. There's a peak or crest after an unexpected move higher between roughly 11 and 12. That peak or crest, we have a notable sell-off on a one-day chart standing out to another day's low, and by roughly 12 o'clock or maybe a little later than 12 o'clock, there's an opportunity there to close out of that short position again. More importantly, this is where the real opportunity comes into play, which is an opportunity to open up a long position, as the volume would tell you downward volume with opportunity for bullish behavior, or bullish trade, I should say. So around noontime after a sharp drop, there's a lot of price change. So erratic behavior around here, like we go from a crest to a sharp drop to erratic behavior and an unexpected move higher followed by another sharp drop. That second sharp drop takes place around 12:30 is most likely, and that's where I would open into a long position and hold that long position until the close, where I'd close out of that long position. A lot of price movement to the upside, increasing with momentum as we move forward into a key resistance level on a one-day scale. And then there's a bit of a drop from that resistance level before 3 o'clock. However, there's another unexpected move to the upside, and probably the one most pronounced move to the upside here in the last hour, taking us to most likely a high there at the end of the day, with a period of sideways rotation around the close, ending with a fast sudden move higher. That's the S&P 500 for May 25th, 2023. Don't forget to follow that rule of karma, my friends. Make sure to follow that. 5% back to the channel here. Thank you very much, my friends, and all those angel investors out there following, paying forward 5% as well to one of these charities. Making sure to spend all that money out of love. As long as you do that, the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold from all directions, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.